UK girl. She was just like, are you recording? I was like, yeah, is that for YouTube? I was like, yeah, are you a YouTuber? I was like, oh my god. So I had this, yeah. Hey guys, I hate that this thing is zoomed out. Today is welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome to my vlog. If it's not your first time here, welcome back again. I am in the UK, the usual. I know the previous vlog, it says I was in the UK on my previous vlog. I'm in the UK again. The reason why there is space between the previous vlog and this vlog was because I had lost my job. The last vlog that you saw before this one, I was in the UK and I was supposed to vlog the next day, but I didn't vlog because there wasn't really much to put on your screen, on the screen on YouTube. So I just posted that vlog, which is gonna go today. But you're gonna see, obviously, you're gonna see that before this one. I went to work on that Monday. When I landed on Tuesday, I lost my job. It's a long story. It's not a long story, but it's a story that I feel like I'm going to probably sit down and tell you guys. I'm probably going to sit down and tell you guys my recap of this year, of how I left my other job, wasn't working for 3 months for my own reason, moved to the UK for 3 months, went back to Dublin, got a job, didn't like the job, so I left after 1 week, and then got that job and I lost it on the 11th of November. But I'm gonna give you guys a whole story time of how this year has really went for me. It's 14 past 12, it's 12 p.m. and I am actually just woke up. I didn't wake up now, I just got up now because I had a flight yesterday. I had a stressful day yesterday. So I got a ps5. I got a ps5, guys. Let me show you guys the card. I like the way my orange shirt is literally just like shining on my face. I lost my earring pin while I was sleeping, so I literally have them here, but there's only one pin. So when I'm sweeping the room, I'm gonna have to find my pin, but that's not a problem. Let's go and do some dishes and go to Lidl to do some shopping.
èèyàn kò gbàgídí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. Dàkúnjẹ́ sí mi ṣe fi jọ́nà. Èmi yàtọ̀ sáwọn nǹkan kàmí sọ́tọ̀. Kọjọ́kọjọ́ bọ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ lọ́kọ̀lọ́kọ̀ tó bá fọ́ bọ̀. Sitting night on the club in the turn up. Everybody ready for me, pop on. I want to call it such. I know we'll let anyone control. Anything I want to. I want to call it such. I know we'll let anyone control. Anything I want to.
You see all these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Oh girl, I wanna hold on you tonight. Every time you walking out the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life, I swear. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you sing. Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me. We in this party, put your body on me. Girl, I want you to know the things I wanna do to you. You're a bad girl, you know I need that girl. Girl, I know I'm feeling you. When you touch it, when you rock it, you're so spiritual. When you rock it, I reverse it. Girl, I need it all. Easy me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me. All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Up.
Hey Siri. What's the time?
It's 1400 hours.
Right. So it's 2 o'clock. Right on the dot. It's 2 o'clock and it's the next day. Couldn't show you guys the food that I made yesterday. It came out really nice. I didn't take a picture. I was so annoyed, but it's okay. It's the next day. It's 2 p.m. and I've not really been doing like anything major since I got up. We just had a breakfast, edited my videos, finished the vlog, nothing much. I'm all ready. Let me show you guys my outfit. I don't want to show the background because the background is messy. So I have this, I have this outfit on. We're going to the shops. We want to get cakes. Tomorrow is Andre's birthday. If I say Andre and you guys don't know who Andre is, then I guess you're new here because, yeah. So tomorrow is Andre's birthday. We want to grab a cake. Just a little mini cake, something nice, something cute to have tonight and tomorrow. We're going to get some alcohol as well because I haven't had alcohol in a while. I actually want to get tipsy. So we're going to get alcohol today. So he's getting ready. He just came back from the gym, from cardio. So he's having a shower and we're going to go out soon. I need to charge my camera because I don't understand things with these camera. Like you see it full. When you press play, it's like no battery. So I need to put my camera on charger and I will see you guys when we are heading out. So okay. Do you want to say hi to my vlog, the birthday boy?
Hi.
Hi. Period. Thank you. I'm trying to get beef and I'm trying to get alcohol. So let's do that now. You got another one? Okay. Guys, so we're getting wine. We're in the wine section. We're trying to get something very good for us to get high, tipsy tonight. So yeah. What do you think we get? Pepper Labra. I'm getting red or white. Candles as well. So cute. Perfect. Isn't little? They don't have it? Isn't it? There. No?
No, it's not.
This? You sure? This isn't the one you get?
No, you get
So guys, I was in Lidl and this customer care girl, she was just like, are you recording? I was like, yeah, is that for YouTube? I was like, yeah, you're a YouTuber? I was like, oh my god. She was like, can I stalk you? I was like, of course you can stalk me. And I gave her my YouTube name. And like, she was so sweet. Like, it literally made my day. I thought she was going to like stop me. But I wish I actually recorded it because I had to stop the vlog because I thought she was going to stop me. But that was such a warm thing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
sell it for like at least 60.
Yeah, bring it here for repair first. Let him test it and see how much.
Oh, this one's bigger. This is, you see, this one is bigger, you see?
Yeah. It's 25. I think different sizes.
Look, this is my size. This is
the other size.
Yes, this. How big these ones are.
There's definitely difference. 385.
Yeah, bigger. So mine's smaller.
Yeah.
I think
And this is the smaller one is 400. How's that possible?
no, if you get me
Oh, 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte. That's why it's expensive. So guys, we're looking at controller for me because he has his own controller, but I don't have. But everything seems too pricey, so we're gonna have to check online. So our best bet